We've made tremendous progress in numerical weather prediction over the past 30 years, not only in a general sense with respect to general weather prediction, but for extreme events. We're now predicting these storms 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in advance because of those advances in numerical prediction. The February 2010 snowstorm, the Snowmageddon, has become sort of another landmark. It's a major storm that affected the mid-Atlantic region, the Washington, D.C. area. And with 3 feet of snow, something that's never been seen before, and then followed by another storm. And that storm was predicted 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 days in advance, with so much confidence that decision makers were really making critical decisions to take action even before the first flake of snow. We focused the warning area in the mid-Atlantic region right up to New York City, but didn't include the area from New York City north and east. I contend that in the old days that we would have not had confidence in the forecast 3, 2, and 1 days in advance to be able to put that demarcation zone through one of the major metropolitan areas of the United States. So it wasn't just a matter of where we forecast where the snow is going to be and where warnings were really needed, but we also really nailed where they weren't needed. And that really improves our credibility when we're trying to get people to react to our watches and warnings in a meaningful way. Several days before the storm, we saw Virginia institute a coup plan a day before the storm. We saw the retail industry actually have pre-storm sales because they knew that once that snow hit, they weren't selling anything. You saw airline industries making decisions before the storm to mitigate the impact of that storm on their flight operations. All of this was based on confidence in a prediction system that is ultimately tied back to the numerical models. But I contend that the biggest challenge right now is that expectations are exceeding our abilities. So people see us forecast one storm 5 days in advance. They think we can do that for every storm. And we have to make sure that we manage people's expectations on what we can do. I think we're going to rapidly approach forecasts for extreme events into week 2. We're already seeing that. I think we're going to do that with more reliability. And the climate forecast, the short-term climate forecast, the patterns that set up that support more significant storm systems is something that we're exploring already, and I think that's going to be doable several years out.